Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel KTM Booster. In previous video we have seen what are the fractions and how it converted into the percentage. In this video we will see what is percentage and some basic concepts regarding the percentage. Percentage stands for the value obtained upon the total value. The ratio of value obtained to the total value multiplied by 100, it gives us what? The percentage, isn't it? Now let us consider, for example, if value of A is 120 and value of B is what? 150. Okay, if value of A is 120 and the value of B is what? 150. Okay, now if question is in this way, that is A is what percent of B? A is what percent of B? Now A is, what is A? That is 120. What percent of B? Of B means what? It goes to denominator multiplied by what? 100. So 0, 0 will get cancelled. 3 4s are 3 5s are and 5 2s are 5 zeros are. That is 24s are 80%. Means A is 80% of B. Isn't it? Now next question. B is how much percent? How much percent of B? This is what? Small question. Depending on the small question, we are going to clear the concept of percentage. B is, what is the value of B? That is 150. How much percent of A? What is B? That is 150. Okay. Of what? A. A is 120 multiplied by what? 100. So 0, 0, 3 4s are what? 3 5s are. Okay. 4 2s are 4 5s are. Okay. 25 5s are what? 125%. Means what is the meaning of this question? B is 125% of A. Means obviously the value of B is higher than that of A. Okay. If we see the next question, that is, we have the comparison in between A and B. We know that the value of A is 120 and the value of B is what? 150. Okay. Now the question, next question. B is how much percent? How much percent more than A? Okay. B is how much percent more than what? A. The value of B is higher as compared to A. Means how to solve this question? B is how much percent more than A? More means what? There is comparison in between A and B. So what is bigger? B minus what? A divided by what? More than A. Than means what? A. What is the value of A? That is 120. Okay. Means in similar way we can write 30 upon 120. So 30 upon 120 multiplied by 100. So 0 0 cancel, 3 4s are, and the answer will be 25%. Isn't it? So B is 25% more than that of A. Next question. Okay. A is how much percent less than Okay, what is the question? A is how much percent? A is less as compared to what? B. We have to give the answer in what? Percentage. A is how much percent less than that of what? B. The comparison in between A and B. Okay. Now, when comparison is there, then we have to subtract smaller term from bigger term. That is B minus A divided by less than or greater than what? B. So B comes at denominator. So here will be your B. Understood? Now put the values. We will get the answer. What is the B? 150 minus what is A? That is 120 divided by what is B? That is 150 multiplied by 100. Now write 150 minus 120, that is 30 divided by 150 multiplied by 100. 0 0 cancel, 3 5s are 15 and 5 2s are and 5 zeros are, that is 20%. Means it is clear that A is 20% less than that of B. A is what? 20% less than that of B. Means what? 150 into 20 upon 100. If we take 0, 0, 0, 0, what is the answer? That is 30. Right? So A is how much percent less than that of B? That is 20% less than that of B. And what is the value? That is 30. A is 30 points or the magnitude of 30 less as compared with B, and the percentage will be 20%. Are you getting this? Now we'll discuss another two concepts regarding this percentage topics. It is very basics and required in all examinations. Okay, we will see the value of A is here 120 and the value of B is 150. The question, next question, that is by what percent A should be increased equal to B. Means C. By what percent A should be increased? Who is going to be increased? A. Why? Because it is having lesser value as compared with B. Means A should be increased. By what value? Means comparison in between A and B. What is the difference in between A and B? That is 30 divided by. It should be increased equal to B. Who is going to be increased? A. What is the value of A? That is 120 multiplied by 100. 0 0 cancel, 3 4s are, and the answer will be, that is 25%. So 25% A should be increased equal to B. Next and last question, that is by what percent B should be decreased equal to A. Okay, by what percent B should be decreased equal to A. Okay, by how many points B should be decreased or increased? See here, 120 and 150 points is 30. Who is going to be decreased? Yes, who is going to be decreased? B. So take the value of B in denominator. What is the value of B? That is 150. We have to calculate what? The percentage. Take multiplied by 100. Okay, 0 0 cancel, 3 5s are, and the answer will be, that is 20%. So 20% the value of B should be decreased equal to the value of A. Means 150 minus 30 equal to what? 120. That is, we get the value of A, that is 120. In this similar way, if we understood this concept, please comment in our chat box that we have understood all the concepts. If the query is there, you can again put the queries in your comment box. We will come with again next video with clear understanding of this concept. If you like this video, please share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.